shifter is a B&M Quicksilver. This one here. The new cable. Plate. Instructions. Cover. Shifter. Knob. The reverse drive indicators. I won't be using this. Then it has the ratchet function. But it has to be pulled up to be able to go into any other gear. Pull up on this, I don't know. I never did like this style shifter, but it's also B&M. I'm under the car, I'm gonna pull that pin out, and this end of the cable should slip out. Then I'll unbolt it there and put the new one in this one's place. I disconnected the bracket the shifter cable was attached to, and I'll pull the cable out from the top and figure out how to get the new cable in. Familiar with how the cable attaches on the top end. Pull that pin out, take that nut off, and I'll be able to pull it through transmission tunnel. I know I could have reused the same shift cable, but it needed to come out anyways. It was all binded crazy, wrapped around the transmission. I'll take this piece off, slip a nut, washer, pass through the bracket, washer, nut, and get this back on. I could have slipped this in and done the same process under the car while this was still attached to the transmission pan, but it is pretty simple to take 2 bolts out to make this port a lot easier here. Now I'm going to go bolt this back on, and then I can adjust and tighten the 2 nuts here. I did it! It's in there. Cleaned up a little bit too. It's beautiful. It's right where it belongs. Throw that trash in the garbage. That would look sweet. But I'm gonna mount it the same way the other one was, and later on I'll get a new console and I'll plan to sync it. This is where it'll mount for now. I have a plate to put back over to cover this hole. And this will be just until I get a new console.